Hey guys, welcome back to our video tutorial of Awesome Enterprise. So in this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the scope of the variable. So we have template level variable, we can have module level variable, environment level variable, and user can define its own scope. So we are defining, we'll start with template level variable, template dot set template 1 equal to, I will assign value so this is our template level variable t1. So similarly we will create the module level variable, that is m1 module. Now we will create environment level variable, now this will be our environment variable. Environment variable will be created with the env dot set even. So we will write env, and now we will create the custom scope of the variable. So we can create the variable with do@sample. So anything declared inside this block of code will be accessed only within this code. So we will set the value to this variable @sample dot s1. So we'll write user defined scope. So let's check the output. So we have template level variable, so this is our template level variable t1. So we will just dump, first we will see the output before printing anything. So this is template level variable and this is user defined and custom scope. So we will t1. So the output will be template level variable. So this string is appeared as output. So similarly we will add this variable value after our static statement. So env dot, so this will not generate any output because this is outside the scope. So this variable @sample.s1 will be accessible inside only in this block of code do.@sample. So this will not generate any kind of output. For to make it differentiate, we will just check. So this will not generating any output, so we can see the user defined scope, it is appeared in our output. So let's check our module level variable and environment level variable. So I have created a new function, that is new template. So we are calling this function, we can call this function templates dot new template. So now we are calling this template and we will print, or we will dump our module variable, that is m1. Okay, so the template level variable that we have defined here t1 will not be accessible inside this function because scope of this t1 is limited to only this template, because this template is declared inside this method or inside this function. So let's check the output. This will not generate any output, so we will make it differentiate. So environment level variable, this we can access, this is even, right? So now let's check the output. Now you can see the module level variable, this value is appeared. The template level variable, this value is not appeared because the scope of that template level variable is destroyed once the scope of this function is finished. Hence we are not generating this output, we are not able to see this output inside this function. So environment level variable, we can see the environment level variable. So environment level variable has a global scope, and module level variable has module level. So we will see in the upcoming videos the detailed description about the module level variable and the environment level variable. So this is how the variables are works in the awesome enterprises.